Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will be discussing about demystifying cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. Cryptocurrency has been a hot topic for the past few years, but many people still find it confusing and difficult to understand. With the rise of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, it's important to have a basic understanding of what they are and how they work. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. This means that it is decentralized and not controlled by any government or financial institution. In this video, we will demystify cryptocurrency by explaining what it is, how it works, and why it's important. We'll also explore the differences between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other popular cryptocurrencies, and give you some tips on how to invest in this exciting and rapidly evolving market. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced investor, this video will give you a clear understanding of the world of cryptocurrency. Introduction to cryptocurrency: what is it and why it matters? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. This means that transactions are recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency and security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency, and its popularity paved the way for the development of numerous other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, among others. So, why does cryptocurrency matter? One of the key advantages of cryptocurrency is that it eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks, in financial transactions. This means that individuals can send and receive payments directly, without relying on a trusted third party. Additionally, cryptocurrencies offer lower transaction fees and faster processing times compared to traditional banking systems. Moreover, cryptocurrency has the potential to provide financial inclusion to the unbanked population around the world. In many developing countries, a significant portion of the population lacks access to traditional banking services. Cryptocurrencies enable individuals to have control over their own finances, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. Furthermore, cryptocurrency opens up new possibilities for innovation and entrepreneurship. The underlying blockchain technology has applications beyond finance, with potential uses in sectors such as supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems, to name a few. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. The volatility of cryptocurrency prices can lead to significant fluctuations in value, making it a speculative investment. Additionally, concerns regarding security, regulatory frameworks, and potential for illicit activities have been raised. In this video, we will delve deeper into various aspects of cryptocurrency, exploring the different types of cryptocurrencies, understanding how blockchain technology works, discussing the benefits and risks, and providing practical tips for getting started in the world of cryptocurrency. So, whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced investor, join us on this journey as we demystify cryptocurrency and explore its fascinating world of potential and possibilities. The rise of Bitcoin: understanding the first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was created by an anonymous person or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It introduced a groundbreaking concept of decentralized digital currency, independent of any central authority or government control. This concept, known as blockchain technology, revolutionized the way financial transactions are conducted. The rise of Bitcoin can be attributed to several factors. First and foremost, it addressed the long-standing issue of trust in traditional financial systems. With Bitcoin, transactions are verified and recorded on a decentralized ledger, accessible to anyone. This transparency and security appealed to those seeking an alternative to traditional banking systems. Additionally, Bitcoin's limited supply played a significant role in its rise. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed at will, there will only ever be 21 million bitcoins in existence. This scarcity has led to a perception of Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to gold or other precious metals. Furthermore, Bitcoin's early adoption by tech enthusiasts and its association with the dark web gave it a certain mystique. It became a symbol of rebellion against the established financial order, attracting both early investors and those looking to engage in anonymous transactions. As Bitcoin gained popularity and its value skyrocketed, it caught the attention of mainstream investors and institutions. This legitimization of Bitcoin further fueled its rise, leading to its widespread acceptance as a form of payment by various businesses worldwide. Exploring Ethereum, a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency. At its core, Ethereum is a blockchain-based platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts. These contracts are self-executing agreements, written in code, that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and allows for trustless and transparent transactions. What sets Ethereum apart is its ability to support dApps. These are applications that run on the Ethereum blockchain, utilizing its decentralized nature and smart contract capabilities. dApps have the potential to transform industries such as finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. They can automate processes, eliminate middlemen, and increase efficiency. Ethereum's flexibility and programmability have led to the creation of numerous tokens and projects built on its platform. Initial coin offerings, ECOs, became popular fundraising methods, allowing startups to create and sell their own tokens to fund their projects. This has opened up new opportunities for innovation and investment within the cryptocurrency space. While Bitcoin remains the most well-known and widely adopted cryptocurrency, Ethereum has gained significant traction and has positioned itself as a major player in the industry. Its ability to support smart contracts and dApps has attracted developers and investors alike, contributing to its growing ecosystem. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, other notable cryptocurrencies to know. One such altcoin worth mentioning is Ripple, XRP, which aims to revolutionize cross-border transactions by enabling fast and low-cost international money transfers. With its focus on scalability and partnerships with major financial institutions, Ripple has gained significant attention within the crypto community. Another notable cryptocurrency is Litecoin, LTC, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Created by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer, Litecoin offers faster transaction confirmation times and a different hashing algorithm, making it more accessible and efficient for everyday transactions. For those interested in privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, Monero, XMR, is a prominent choice. With its enhanced privacy features, Monero ensures that transactions remain untraceable and unlinkable, providing users with a high level of anonymity. Additionally, Cardano, ADA, stands out for its scientific approach to blockchain technology. Built on a peer-reviewed research basis, Cardano aims to create a secure and sustainable platform for the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. While Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate the cryptocurrency landscape, exploring the world of alternative cryptocurrencies can provide valuable insights and opportunities for those looking to expand their digital asset portfolio or delve deeper into the fascinating realm of decentralized technologies. How does cryptocurrency work? Understanding blockchain technology. The blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network where each transaction is grouped into a block. Once a block is filled with transactions, it is added to the existing chain of blocks, creating a permanent and immutable record. This process ensures that every transaction is secure and cannot be altered or tampered with. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, utilizes blockchain technology to facilitate secure and decentralized transactions. When a transaction is initiated, it is broadcasted to the network, where miners work to solve complex mathematical problems to validate the transaction. Once validated, the transaction is added to a block and becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology also means that there is no single point of failure. The network is distributed across multiple nodes, making it highly resilient to hacking or system failures. This decentralized structure also eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing transaction costs and increasing efficiency. We hope our video on demystifying cryptocurrency has shed some light on the complex world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. Cryptocurrencies have become a hot topic, capturing the attention of both investors and tech enthusiasts alike. By breaking down the basics and providing an overview of the most popular cryptocurrencies, we aim to make this fascinating topic more accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the crypto market or an experienced investor seeking to expand your knowledge, we hope this video has provided valuable insights. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, we encourage you to stay curious, stay informed, and explore the limitless possibilities of this groundbreaking technology. Don't forget to like my video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos.